we'll beat the dog shit out of them.
Let's put all our petty differences to the side, baby. We gon' be unstoppable together, dawg. Stick together, we gon' be greater later, baby. Amy Jones, Adam Calhoun.
How you like me now? I ain't tryna flex, but mommy want a truck, so daddy wrote a check, man. I've been planting seeds and managed to keep them wet. I fertilize the fruit with my blood and my sweat, man. I've been on the go, way past ready, set, man. So many folks that I can't recollect, setting fire to the stages, packing out the venue. Everybody shows when it's Jones on the menu. I keep jumping hurdles like I'm running for a medal, in and over every obstacle, cause I refuse to settle. Brick by brick, made it strong in this level. One course at a time, no deals with the devil. Every dollar I got documented and legitimate. Blue badge verified, certified, killing it. Microphone check, 1, 2, birds up. Middle fingers to the suckers trying to stop me, good luck.
What's going on, guys?
3:51 and we're putting the wheels on Swiftbird. We got about an hour till be at the track.
Like CJ's out in front, top in. Gonna be CJ.
All right, so a little bit of timeline here. 3 weeks ago at the No Prep race, we brought Swiftbird back out. First pass down the track, spun 2 bearings. Had to get that fixed. Didn't make second round. Decided to put the bike up. Sent the motor off the next day. We got it to Landon. He got us together in a really timely manner. Here it is 3 weeks later. We're at Turkey Bash at the Hall Tech test session. It's prep. We're thinking that it's going to do good, and we'll have an idea of what we can expect tomorrow night.
Stay down, just stay on your grind. We keep going, bitch, you know we gon' get it on. Wait, mine, almost wasted my time. We can't die, wondering if we could've did it on. Stay down, bitch, just stay on your grind. We keep going, bitch, you know we gon' get it on. Wait, mine, almost wasted my time. We can't die.
There's a lot more of us, probably call the corner. Motherfuckers lie, but I tell you what the score is. Supply and demand, I show up and there's a shortage. Mortgage late, ain't paid your dues in weeks. Got a gang of white boys, we don't fuck around with sheep. Need sleep for you need deep in your own PP. Killers listen to me, they keep that shit on repeat. No effort, no sweat off my brow. So F them, they don't say that shit when I come around. No question, I'm the best at what I'm doing right now. No flexing, New Testament, you looking at the crown. At the top, still starving though, like I'm in the cardboard box playing dominoes. I was dead broke, used to shop at the dollar store. Now I'm well known, came a long ass way from sleeping on the floor, you know.
Stay down, bitches, stay on your grind. We keep going, bitch, you know we gon' get it. Wait in line, almost wasted my time. We can't die one, and if we could've did it, no. Watch when we all come together, now how the fuck they gon' beat us? I ride the beat like a Regal, driven by evil Knievel. Mama, he look like a monster, but bitch, he sound like a preacher. Jump on the track, back out the beat like it's a blessing from Jesus. Pep out gon' shine from a distance, so all his haters can see it. You do whatever you wanna, bitch, you better believe it. I swear with sharks in the dolphins, come meet me down in the deep end. I don't do this rapper records, I check you out when I see you, bitch. It could be all a secret. I'm really trying to be peaceful and stay away from my demons, cause we done seen too much evil. Bitch, I done came a long way from the old me, and I ain't scared to take a ass whooping. You gon' have to show me. Stand on the OG. I'm in here grinding with my brothers. Bitch, you don't work, you don't eat. Ooh, yes, sir. Bitch, you don't work, you don't eat. Hey.
What a crazy few weeks that we had. It was like 5 weeks total over the course of 5 weeks. Went to North Carolina 5 times, maybe 6. Put the bike on the dyno 3 times. Switched the fuel, fixed the bearings. Just a crazy, crazy turn of events for us over the last 5 weeks. To be able to make it to the finals against Terry in the last race of the year, we came up short, but man, just, you know, being able to make it to the finals on a bike that it's slowed down a whole lot. It's not as fast as it was, but we still were able to compete and still able to go to the finals. The only thing better would be to win, but at this point, you know, just got to be happy with what we got. We got a good running bike. Finished the season strong. CJ finished 3rd in points, so that's pretty good. Could have never got the bike back out after the wreck. I'm glad we did. We got some changes on tap for next year, though. I'll post some videos of that. I'm going to switch the bike up a little bit to try and make it more competitive. We're the only bike that sat like we did this year. Still ran really well, still ran towards the tops. Appreciate you guys checking out the channel this year. Probably got one more video coming for the end of the year review. Keep liking the videos. Appreciate all the subscriptions. My channel grew pretty good this year. Hopefully it'll keep growing.